Welcome to Enjoy Learning Computer Science. Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning about math module, statistics module, expressions and punctuators, and this session is the continuation of the previous session, that is Python Revision Tour 1 Part 4. Let's go into the topic. So working with math module of Python. So any module if you want to use, first thing you have to do is import the module. So import math. So these are the functions which are available under math module. The first one is ceil function. So I can give you an example. So ceil function, first let me import math. Okay. Now name of the module dot ceil. If I am giving 5.4. Okay. So this will give the next biggest number. So what is the next biggest number after 5.4? It is 6. Correct. Ceil means you should remember that it is ceilings. Okay. So ceiling means high, upper, so greater. So your number will be 6. Your output will be 6. Again, if I am giving math dot ceil of 7.0. So what will be the answer? When it is 7.0, the output will be 7 only. So ceil method will give you the output in integer. Suppose let's give a negative number. Math dot ceil of minus 5 or 8.3. Okay. So what is the next biggest number of minus 8.3? It is minus 8. It cannot be minus 9 because it is negative, opposite, right? So it is minus 8. So this is your math function. It returns the smallest integer, not less than the number. You just remember that ceil function returns the next highest number of the number. So 4.04 you can see here. What is the next highest number? It is 5. And ceil of minus 2.03, it is minus 2. Now square root, SQRT. So it returns the square root of a number. If you are giving a number which is less than 0, error occurs. You can see here math dot SQRT of 9. So what is the square root of 9? 3. You are getting the output in float. Okay. So square root SQRT function returns the output in float. Now math dot SQRT of 81.0, 9.0. If we give a negative number, you will end up with an error which is value error. So math.sqrt returns the square root of a number. Now exp, that is exponent. It returns the natural logarithm e raised to the power 2. Okay. You can see. So math.exp of 2 means it gives the value of e to the power 2. If I am giving math.exp of 5, it gives e to the power 5. This is exponent. Then fabs. Math.fabs of num. It returns the absolute value of num. What do you mean by absolute value? If we give a negative number, the output will be the positive, right? So math.fabs of 2.0 is 2.0. Math.fabs of minus 2.0 is 2.0. If I am giving math.fabs of minus 7. So whatever output you are giving, input you are giving, the output will be a positive number in float. So math.fabs returns a positive number in float. Okay. Next one, floor. So floor is, it will return the next lowest number. I'll explain. So math.floor of 7.3. So which is the next number which is less than 7.3? It is 7. So this is opposite of ceil. Ceil will give you the next highest number. Floor will give you the next lowest number. So if I am giving math dot floor of minus 3.8 or 3.6, what it will give? It returns the lowest number, right? So what is the lesser number which is lesser than minus 3? It is minus 4. So math.floor means you just keep that in mind. Ceiling means we have the ceiling at the top, right? So up, floor down. So floor will give you lesser than a given number. Ceil will give greater than the given number. Okay. So math dot floor of 2.04 lesser than 2.04 is 2. Math dot floor of minus 2.04 lesser than minus 2 is minus 3. Okay. Now math log. So log returns the natural logarithm for a number. So math dot log of 1.0 means 0.0. Math dot log of a number comma base means it will give that logarithmic number with a given base. Now log of 10 returns the base 10 of logarithm for the number. And then the next one is power, POW function. So I want to calculate the power of 4 to the power 3. Okay, so I can give math dot power of 4 to the power 3. So first 4 comma then the power. Okay, you will get the output in floats. So power function will also gives the output in floats. So returns base raised to the exponential's power. So math dot power of 4 comma 2, that is 4 to the power 2. 3.0 comma 0, 3.0 power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So it is giving the output as 1.0. Now sine, we have sine, cos and tan. So this will give you the value, returns the sine of the given argument or cos of the given argument, or return the tan of the. So sine 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Tan 0 is 0. So everything you are getting the output in float. Okay. So the value of the argument which you are giving must be in radians. Now degrees. Math dot degrees, it converts angle x from radians to degrees. It converts radians to degrees. Math dot radians, it converts degrees to radians, opposite of degrees. Okay. Now we have constants pi and e. So math dot pi, I can give math dot pi. What is the value? It is 3.141592, so on. It gives the mathematical constant. One more constant is e, mathematical constant e. Okay, it will give us that constant value. Now let's write, see some of the mathematical expressions will be given. You have to write the Python expressions for the given mathematical expression. Let's do it one by one. So square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So square root, what is the function? So maybe we'll write first import math. Okay. Now first one math dot. So first you have to begin with name of the module. Math dot square root of a square. You can write a asterisk a plus b asterisk b plus c asterisk c. So this is your mathematical function. Okay. So the mathematical function you have to write with the functions which are available under the math module. Now next one, 2 minus y e power 2y plus 4y. So you can see here 2 minus y, right, dot, this is exponential function, exponentiation, right? So math dot exp, within parenthesis what is in the power? 2 into y. So 2 asterisk y, you cannot write 2 into y, you have to write 2 asterisk y plus 4 into y. So 4 asterisk y. Next one, p plus q slash, division means slash, power, math dot pow of r plus x is the base, comma 4. Okay. So p plus q slash math dot pow of r plus s, comma 4. Now you know cos x, math dot cos x slash math dot tan x. The whole everything should be within parenthesis plus x because we have a bracket here. Now what is this one? Modulus. Okay, so fabs. So math dot fabs of, again this is e power 2. So math dot exp of 2 minus x. So this is how you have to write a Python expression for a given mathematical expression. Now the last one, punctuators. This is the last token. So punctuators or symbols. Normally in any programming language or any languages, we'll use punctuators to organize the sentence structures, right? So in Python also, punctuators can be used. These are all symbols which are used to organize your programming sentence structure. So you can see some of the these are the punctuators of Python. Single quotes, double quotes, hashtag, backslash, parenthesis, square bracket, curly bracket, @ comma, colon, dot, and then complement, equal to. These are the punctuators in Python. Hope you must have enjoyed learning these parts. You must have understood also. Thanks for watching. Enjoyed learning computer science. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you. Bye bye.